Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT account session expired. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, these steps right here will work on all of your devices. Okay, you can go ahead and follow the similar steps, even if you're using a mobile device. So first up, overwritten or corrupted login tokens cause the session to loop. So to go ahead and fix that, go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the top right of your browser. And then just go ahead over to settings. In the left panel, just find privacy and security. Now third-party cookies. Scroll down and see all site data and permissions. Now just find ChatGPT and OpenAI. All right, these ones. Delete, delete. I'm not going to do it. So delete, delete. Once that's done, force close the browser. If you have a VPN accounts opened or apps opened, disable them first or disable them for now. After that, find the date and time, right click, adjust date and time. This window will pop up. So just make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically are enabled. And then once that's done, scroll down and click on sync now. If you got the check mark, close it. Now reopen up the browser, just like so. And then after that, go ahead and go back to ChatGPT and you should be good to go. And if you still got the error, well, that might be an issue with the OpenAI's server. So go ahead and go to a new tab, OpenAI, system status right here. Click on it. If there's a problem with ChatGPT right here, click on the drop down. All right. If the latest update right here is yellow or red, well, there will be a problem. So you'll have to wait it out until ChatGPT or OpenAI fixes it up. And those are the ways to fix ChatGPT account session expired. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.